There is a specific moment on the journey to your first $100,000 where everything you believed about money gets flipped completely upside down. Before that moment, every single dollar feels like it costs you something. After that moment, money starts working so hard on your behalf that your own paycheck almost becomes secondary. Today, we are going to talk about exactly why that moment feels so painfully out of reach for so long, and then why, almost without warning, it suddenly feels not just possible, but completely inevitable. Let us start with the honest truth that most financial content refuses to say out loud. The early stages of building wealth are genuinely, brutally slow. Not slow in a motivational poster kind of way, where you just need to stay patient and trust the process. Slow in a way that makes you question whether the whole thing is even real. You cut your spending. You set up automatic transfers. You make sacrifices your friends do not even notice because you never tell them. And then you open your investment account and the number has barely moved. Sometimes it has gone backward. That feeling is not a sign that you are doing it wrong. It is actually proof that you are doing it exactly right. And here is why that distinction matters so much. In the very early stages of building toward $100,000, you are essentially the entire engine. The market is not doing much for you yet. Your investments are too small for compounding to show up in a meaningful way. Think about what 7% annual growth actually looks like on $5,000. That is $350 a year, less than $1 a day. Of course, it feels like nothing is happening, because from a growth standpoint, almost nothing is. Your contributions, your hustle, your discipline, that is where 100% of your progress is coming from. You are physically pushing this car uphill entirely on your own. And here is what makes the early phase psychologically destructive. One bad month can erase weeks of effort. A car repair, a medical expense, an unexpected bill, and suddenly you are staring at a number that looks exactly like it did 3 months ago. This is precisely the point where most people either give up, or even worse, start chasing shortcuts. Options trading, meme stocks, crypto speculation, anything that promises to skip the slow part. But skipping the slow part is not actually possible. You can only blow up the account trying. So what is the move? The move is radical, almost uncomfortable in its simplicity. You make the first 100,000 the only mission that matters right now. Not retirement, not becoming a millionaire, not achieving financial freedom in 5 years. Just one number, one target, and you build your entire financial life around closing the distance to that number, methodically and consistently, every single month. There are 3 things that actually work during this phase. First, make your progress visible. When you can see incremental movement, even tiny movement, your brain starts treating those small wins as real rewards. Break the 100,000 down into chunks, whether that is tracking every $500 or every 1,000. Whatever granularity keeps you engaged. The moment wealth building moves from an abstract concept to a scoreboard you update regularly, your relationship with the process changes completely. Second, choose one primary investment vehicle and stay in it. Not 10 different accounts, not a constantly rotating portfolio of whatever is trending on social media this week. One diversified, low-cost fund that gives you broad exposure to productive companies over time. The simplicity is not a weakness. It is the entire point. Complexity is often just a disguise for activity, and activity is not the same as progress. Third, keep your lifestyle consistently one step behind your income. Every time your earnings increase, whether from a raise, a side project, or any other source, your investment amount goes up first. The lifestyle upgrade comes after, and it comes more slowly. This single habit, more than almost anything else, is what shortens the timeline to that first 6-figure milestone by years. Now, I want to be transparent with you about something. Understanding these principles intellectually is genuinely not the hardest part. The hardest part is navigating the execution when life gets messy, when the market drops and your gut is screaming at you to pull the money out, when an opportunity comes along that promises faster results, when you are tired and the delayed gratification no longer feels worth it. That is exactly the environment where having real support, real accountability, and a proven system makes an enormous difference. That is why I want to tell you about the Wealth Accelerator Academy. It is a group coaching program and course built specifically to help people who are serious about reaching financial freedom with a real roadmap, a community of people on the same journey, and coaching that keeps you on track when the process gets hard. The link is in the description below. If this video is resonating with you, that program was built for exactly where you are standing right now. Back to the journey, because here is where things get genuinely exciting. Somewhere past the halfway mark, something shifts. You have stayed consistent. You have kept feeding the investment account month after month. The balance has grown through market dips and recoveries without you panicking. And then one year, you do the math. And something remarkable has happened. The growth your portfolio generated that year was larger than the total amount you personally contributed. For the very first time, your money worked harder than you did. Let that sit for a second. You did not do anything special that year. You did not take extra risk. You did not stumble onto a hot tip. You just stayed in the game long enough for the math to finally catch up with the effort you had already put in. That is the flip. That is the moment the title of this video is talking about. That is when 100,000 stops feeling impossible and starts feeling inevitable, because you realize the rules of the game have genuinely changed in your favor. And here is what life looks like on the other side of that milestone. With $100,000 invested and compounding, even a fairly conservative average annual return generates roughly $7,000 in growth every year. And that number grows every single year as the base grows. Add your ongoing contributions on top of that, and you now have two engines running simultaneously: your effort and your capital. A job loss becomes a problem you can manage rather than a catastrophe that destroys everything. An unexpected expense is an inconvenience rather than a financial emergency that sets you back a year. The emotional weight of money starts to lift in a way that is genuinely hard to describe until you experience it yourself. 5 years beyond that 100,000 mark, with consistent investing and no dramatic lifestyle inflation, net worth can realistically reach the 200,000 range and beyond. Not because of magic, not because of exceptional circumstances, but because the compounding engine that took so long to start running is now running full speed and getting faster. So here is the practical action you take right now, today, before you close this video. First, calculate your actual net worth with honest numbers. Everything you own minus everything you owe. No projections, no future paychecks counted, just the real number today. Second, set your first milestone. If the full 100,000 feels overwhelming, make it 20,000. Make it 50. Give yourself a specific, concrete target that you can genuinely track week by week. Third, pick the one monthly habit that closes the gap. A consistent transfer into a broad index fund, a side income stream, a housing or spending adjustment that frees up real capital to invest. You do not need to do everything. You need to do the one thing that actually moves the needle most efficiently. And if you are ready to go beyond the basics and want structured guidance, community, and coaching to accelerate your path to financial freedom, the Wealth Accelerator Academy is where that happens. Check the link in the description. Real people, real accountability, real results. Here is why you should subscribe to this channel, and I am going to be direct with you. Not because I ask you to, but because if what you just absorbed in this video actually clicked for you, this channel is where that understanding goes deeper every single week. New frameworks, real scenarios, the kind of financial content that respects your intelligence and your time. Hit subscribe because the next video might be the one that changes the way you think about money forever. Now go do the math on your net worth, pick your number, start filling in your first square. Your future self is not waiting for a perfect moment. Your future self is waiting for you to start. Let us get after it.